Hello guys, welcome back to my videos, and how are you? In today's video, blocks fruits, and I have dark fruit, and I'm only level 99, almost 100. And I need level 100 to unlock the Saber Sword. It's gonna take a long time. Yeah, I'm almost a mastery 49 at dark. Can almost unlock the black spiral. If you're wondering why I don't really post anymore, upload, because I don't really want to. So I'm just gonna grind. And my cousin gave me the dark because he likes fruits that can fly. So he just ate his eagle and then um, gave me his dark. And he's also level 80 something, I think. Yeah, I think he's level 90. I can only get my blocks fruit, bro. Only 1 kill away. Yeah, what does the black spiral do? Huh? Wait, let me try it. Oh, cool. I'm gonna abuse this, but not on people, on enemies. Bye bye. Now they are so easy to kill. Let's go. Where is the guy? Oh, here it is. Here he is. Now let's go to the black hole. Now let's level up the fruit so we can have the black hole. And I know what the black hole feels like. And I think my grandpa's here. Yep, my grandpa is here. My mom went to Masbate because I applied for funding before my auntie or aunt, I don't know what to call her, before she can leave for work. Yeah, bye bye. Where are you? Oh. Yay, I'm level 100 now. Finally, bro, I can finally go. I can nothing. What time is it? 9:47. And bye guys. See you for the next video. Bye.